Hello, my name is John Alexander Tiria. Step 2. Comprehend intellectual property presented by John Alexander Tiria Vázquez, Group 212-032-138. Teacher, Víctor Manuel Rodríguez. Date 3 October 2021. Step 2. Comprehend intellectual property. Intellectual property and quality certification. Industrial companies may face several obstacles in requisiting or obtaining intellectual property registration. Excessive processing time within the distribution of companies that obtaining registration 19% corresponds to excessive processing time. Causes: due to the excessive processing time, the of companies that register intellectual property and quality certification is not very high. Consequences: it is not possible to have an accurate data of the number of properties and certification. 3 to 8% had the intention of requisiting the records, but due to the excessive processing time, they did not it. Due to the excessive processing time in the intention to carry out the regulation, I prefer not to do it. Consequences: should have a percentage of filed intent when registering intellectual property and quality certification. Recommendation: that they open more branches or that they hire more staff so that they can attend to the requisite of the clients who are going to carry out the respective procedures. Another option is that they receive the documentation, giving a filing number, and then come to pick it up. Thank you.